piano roll is run through a player piano, also known as a pianola, or through a reproducing piano. The difference being that a pianola requires a skilled operator to impart musical expression and phrasing, while the reproducing piano is designed to achieve this without any operator.
A pianist would perform on a recording piano where the keys and pedals are equipped with electrical contacts. The notes played were registered by a series of marking pens on a master roll, which were then perforated by hand. In some instances, a high-speed perforator was used instead of the marking apparatus. For the intended use on a reproducing piano, it was necessary throughout the recording session to accurately determine all dynamic variations in the music. This was achieved by measuring hammer and key velocity, while others relied upon the presence of an engineer who interpreted this aspect of the performance by ear and calculated appropriate dynamic coding for the finished roll. However, the majority of piano rolls for the intended use on a pianola were based on transcriptions from sheet music rather than hand-played recordings. These are referred to as metronomic or straight-cut rolls. The musical arrangement was marked out by a technician on a paper stencil from which a master was produced. Tempo variations and musical phrasing are often absent from this roll, as pianolas are intended to be operated by a pianist to add musical expressions.
A pianola is powered by suction, utilizing pneumatic valves that regulate vacuum pressure created by an electric motor. When a roll passes over the tracker bar, a hole on the paper allows air to leak into the lower section of the valve box, causing the air below to change to atmospheric air pressure. As it moves the valve pouch upwards, the vacuum travels to the pneumatic and collapses it, causing the pneumatic to move, which strikes a piano key. In a reproducing piano, the foot-operated bellows are displaced by an electric suction pump and a further series of pneumatic controls, aka the expression box, which regulates the precise rate of change in the suction level of the dynamic pneumatic, which varies the force with which they collapse and the intensity of the notes they play.
The first audio was from a reproducing piano, and the second audio was the original. During the playback, the keys are harsher than the original sound because of lack of the musician's expression. There is only so much detail that one can put into a piano roll. In our opinion, the original sounded more vibrant and full of life.